Hey there Windowers, and welcome to another episode of Windows on Windows, part of the Subscriber Showcase series. Now in Subscriber Showcase number 4, your task was to create a video clip of, and I quote, the most cursed Windows install. And I know many of you got to work straight away coming up with ideas to make your chosen version of Windows as cursed as possible. So without further ado, let's take a look at the entries to Subscriber Showcase number 4. And for the first time, I'll be introducing and reacting to your entries. Then afterwards, I'll be choosing my top 3 and most importantly, the winner. Now in the interest of fairness, I'm going to go in alphabetical order by the name of the person that submitted each entry. That means we're going to start off with Dominic, who incidentally is also a staff member on Discord. Go check it out if you have not been there. And he's also a moderator here on YouTube in the streams and premieres. So thank you very much, Dominic, for helping out with the channel. And yeah, let's see video number 1, what cursed things Dominic has in store.
Hello, and welcome to a special video. For anyone new to this channel, must well know me as the person who makes fan OS. Go check it out, by the way, I'm loving it. However, truth be told, I'm also a Weeb at heart, and, as is the subject of this video, a Windows enjoyer and cursor.
I notice already that you've got Comic Sans as the font here, Dominic. Nice, and there's no loading circle, it's just like a little rectangle.
Anyway, to get straight to the cut with this video, this is a video for Major Sky 17's latest subscriber showcase about
Windows logon pane. Focus on password field.
Let me just open ease of
Contains
access and
Windows
disable.
logon pane.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're looking at build 8056. Nice, good choice, Dominic. Windows 8 build, and yeah, the login screen actually that had the Windows XP background on it, didn't it? So that's already quite cursed. And Comic Sans on the blue screen, which is also cursed. So it is quite cursed already, actually.
Welcome to the subscriber showcase video for Major Sky's newest subscriber showcase at the time of this video. To start this video off, I thought I'd start the out-of-box experience of this build. And to begin the demonstration of what I, and Microsoft, did to this build of Windows 8. Has the first ever change in this build? Well, I mean, there's obviously the fact it's now using Windows Classic, and 805.
Oh yeah, actually I didn't notice that. It's running Classic, isn't it? Nice background graphic, by the way.
5.6's messed up Ubi background. But I've also fixed the ability to skip the Ubi as well, as pressing Shift plus F10 now launches Bounce instead.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Alright, now we've looked at Ubi changes, and now let's look at the logon screen. You can see that I've added the Windows XP logon screen background to this logon screen, as well as moving the profile picture to Australia. However, I've also done a very important fix in this build. The SC exploit will now instead immediately bug check Windows. Additionally, unlike Windows 8 8056 where it does nothing, I've also added this functionality to the ease of access button on logon screen, being its ability to, as shown earlier, now also just bug check Windows.
Oh
now
my
we've
god,
covered
really,
the logon
Dominic?
screen, let's move on to the desktop, where we'll find that Windows Classic is now used by default. This was totally not to make Major Sky 17 happy, but Windows 2000 and me fans haven't been left out of this, as there's also Windows Standard available in this build. Speaking of, I might as well go through these themes. So, we have Windows Classic, Architecture,
Oh my god.
Characters,
Oh no, I see what's going on here. Oh dear.
Landscapes, Nature, Scenes, United Kingdom, Windows, Windows Classic from 7850, High Contrast 1, High Contrast 2, High Contrast Black,
Oh my gosh.
High Contrast White, and Windows Standard. But for now I'll keep it on United Kingdom. Themes
Good choice.
aside, you may have also noticed that I've also had a sneak peek at Internet Explorer 13, being a collaboration with Mozilla, of which I've went and put on this cursed Windows install as well. And just before any deniers come in, see, it says in the Explorer here. Additionally, while we're on the desktop, you might have also noticed that I've updated a bunch of the icons. After all, if Microsoft wasn't going to update the icons, especially the 95 era ones, I might as well do that for them myself, hence the abundance of Windows 10 and XPi's icons.
Ah, yeah, so Dominic's added the Windows 10 folder icons, hasn't he? And yeah, the recycle bin icon has become the control panel. And also, and I think this is quite cursed, having quick launch enabled in Windows 7, I think that's cursed as well. Or was that just me?
Such as in Registry Editor. Furthermore, while it's open, I've also given the start menu a new look using an arrow theme for Windows 8, since this is Windows 8 after all. Oh, and there's also a quick launch next to the start button, simply because why not? Finally, as my most proud addition, I've reintroduced Windows XP Pinball in this build of Windows 8.
Oh, gosh.
Give us that pinball. Too
Can't
bad
get
you
away
won't
from
be
it.
seeing pinball though, since this
Oh,
is the
no.
64-bit version.
Oh, Dominic. Oh, come on. Oh, dear. Oh, hang on. I just want to go back to that bit. 1 second. So how many cursed things did you find in this video? If there's enough demand for a follow-up video, I'll make a follow-up video where I try to list every cursed thing in this that I've caused or discovered. And yes, there's plenty of cursed things in this build I haven't mentioned. Oh, fantastic. I might start doing a stream series in my free time on making cursed Windows installations if people are interested. I am, Dominic. I think that's a great idea. I would definitely be there. So yeah, if you want to see Dominic do one of these cursed Windows streams, let us know in the comments, because I'm sure Dominic will check. But yeah, I'm up for that. I'd love that.
For the record, that is actually how Classic looks in this build. Seriously, it does look like that. And yes, this is a 32-bit build. There's only 32-bit available for 8056. Finally, I was gonna put this in the script, but I forgot, so window code looks like this now.
Oh, God. Oh, dear. Oh, thanks, Dominic. That was great. Okay, so yeah, that was entry number 1 from Dominic. That was very entertaining. So thanks again, Dominic. So the next clip is from Louis the Creature. So let's have a look at what Louis has cursed. Okay, so it looks like Windows 7. It may or may not be. Oh no, okay. So Louis says that they're going to stop the setup in the middle. Oh no. That does sound cursed. Okay, so Windows doesn't know what it's in for at this point, apparently. Okay, so we're going on to what should be the second phase of setup. Okay, everything's still going to plan so far. Okay, so we're killing setup. Oh no, and actually, Louis, I've never thought about this. Can you actually do, well, obviously you can. You can literally just open Task Manager in the middle of setup and kill it. Wow, I've never thought to do that, or check if you can do that. Wow. I mean, that's a good idea in that. That is so simple that a lot of people like me probably wouldn't think of it. So I quite like that. That's simple but effective, I think. Oh, it remains to be seen how effective it will be, but I'd imagine it's quite effective. Okay, what's going to happen now then? Does it try and recover setup, or does it just give up? Oh, okay, so hang on. So the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Windows installation cannot proceed. To install Windows, click OK or restart the computer and then restart the installation. Okay, so it knows that something's been tampered with here. So what's going to happen now? I actually don't know. So we've got Win there. Ooh, okay, so you can run Explorer. This is interesting, actually. I never thought about doing this. It's taking its time, isn't it? Opening Explorer. Ooh, here we go. Okay. Ooh, okay, so that's interesting as well. So you can get the taskbar and start menu open, but then nothing actually related to Explore, like Explore windows, actually open. That's really interesting. Nice classic desktop solid color background where the taskbar used to be. Oh no. I wonder if any programs run. Oh wow, okay, so actual programs do run. Interesting. Ooh, so we're going more cursed. What's going to happen now? Running the Oob. Yeah, so obviously opening the out-of-box experience has turned on the basic theme, hasn't it, for whatever reason. So yeah, I would agree, Louis. I think that is pretty cursed, isn't it? That really is. And again, I think simple but effective. Because you didn't really have to do anything, did you? Just cancel setup. Is it actually going to finish this Oob, I wonder? What's going on now? Where did the icon go? Where did recycle bin go? Oh, okay. Well, thanks, Louis. So Louis says, thanks for watching. Sorry for being late. Were you late? I actually don't remember. I know this will most likely not make it to YouTube, but I did it anyway as it seemed cool. Best regards, Louis the Creature. Well, Louis, look, it's your lucky day because it has made YouTube. Thank you very much. I loved that as well. Completely different to Dominic's, wasn't it? Like this was just simple, wasn't it? But still very cursed. So yeah, I like that. Thank you, Louis. Okay, so our next clip number 3, is from Mine the Ground, and let's see how they have cursed Windows.
Hey guys, so now I had to record this about 3 times now because I forgot my mic.
Oh no.
But yeah, so
no.
This is Windows 10 with something very cursed. Yes, this is an XP.
So now before Mine the Ground said that, this could be Windows 10 with an XP taskbar, couldn't it? Or it could be XP with Windows 10 icons. But apparently it's Windows 10. So okay, we've got Windows 10 with an XP taskbar.
Taskbar. This is an XP start menu. This is very
and start menu.
Weird because when
That
I
is
do
weird.
run, it says Windows XP.
Ah, wow, okay.
Like,
so we've got Winver saying it's XP as well. Is it really Windows 10 or is it XP? I actually don't know if I believe you now. Let's find out, hopefully.
If I open this is Windows 10.
Yep, that is
My
Windows
God,
10.
this is weird. We go to Winver.
Do you know what else is weird that I've just noticed on your desktop? Mine the Ground. You've got a link here. 3.11 drivers. That is also interesting and weird.
2 Winvers.
Oh, okay, hang on. This
Windows
is messing with my
XP
brain.
and Windows 10 has combined.
Wait, so hang on. How did you get to this Winver? Oh, you right-clicked on PC and went to Properties.
Whoa, this is incredible.
No, you didn't. How did you do that with the same command? I'm going to just see that one more time. Let's just go back a little bit. So the Winver from your XP taskbar is launching an XP Winver. The Winver from I'm guessing your actual Windows 10 Yeah, there's a little hint of a start button down here. You can just see it. So do you have like a program that's simulating an XP taskbar running on top of your Explorer with auto hide on your taskbar? I'm just guessing. I'm not sure though.
Stuff here. We have Windows XP and then Windows 10 all combined into one.
What theme would
opposite
XP and 10 have if they combined? Would they have Luna or would they have XP's theme? 10's theme. Who knows? Hey, there's XP's Explorer there as well.
We have Windows.
Now I'm even more confused.
Go to System 32.
And we have the
delete.
XP sounds here as well. I've
can I
noticed
actually
when you're
delete this?
navigating the folders. Oh no.
Anyway, I will not do this. Anyway, it's scary. Anyway, we
It's
can
pretty
go
scary.
to OBBE, go to Images. Now,
Ooh, we've got
go
Merlin
down.
in here. Yes, there he was.
Here
Oh,
is title.wm.
Ah, classic.
This is what I like to do.
Classic, love it. Leave a comment below if you remember this being the theme for the channel, because it was at one point. It was the theme in the intro for the channel a very long time ago.
Anyway, yeah.
Thank you very much, Mind the Ground. And again, that was interesting because I don't actually think I know what's going on there. So how is there like an XP taskbar and Explorer and Windows and then a Windows 10 desktop with Windows 10's Explorer? How does that work? Because I'm guessing you can't just pull over XP's Explorer into 10 and run it at the same time. Surely not, can you? I've never tried that. Surely it can't be that simple. There must be some sort of trickery going on there. Again, if you know, let me know in the comments because I'd love to know how mine's done that. Brilliant. Love it. Thanks for that. Okay, so now we're on to entry number 4, and this one is from Sky from the Discord server, or Sky the Weeb. So let's see what Sky has got up to. Okay, and I should probably pause this here. So we have an epilepsy warning. So there'll be flashing imagery, which already sounds pretty cursed. Oh my god. I don't know if you've noticed, but the background music, which is one of the tracks that I use for the background music of the channel, this has been tampered with and also sounds cursed. So we've got Bill's famous quote there. Oh, okay, this is messing with my brain. Oh no, what's happening here? This has got to be XP, right? Oh no. Right, hang on, Sky, I've got to pause this a second because there's too much going on here. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, right. So there's a sidebar that looks like it's from Vista. Or, well, not Vista, but Longhorn. There's a macOS dock on the opposite side. Then on the top, that looks like a Longhorn taskbar, or at least a Longhorn start button, with gigantic quick launch icons, which are all for Internet Explorer, which is in itself quite cursed and funny. And then what else is going on? Remix XP. Is this some sort of transformation pack? I don't know about this if it is. Let us continue. What was that hang on. What was that spinning bliss thing going on there? What's going on here? Is this a wallpaper? Windows XP, okay, with a Windows 2000 recycle bin, nice. Spinning bliss, okay, that's my new favourite thing, love that. Ooh, okay, a Windows 8 style start screen, wow. With multiple versions of IE, I mean, that is probably the most cursed thing that you could ever see in Windows. I think one IE is bad enough, isn't it? Oh, now we have Pingus, okay. Oh my gosh. Sky, genuinely, I have to keep pausing this because it's messing with my brain. Hang on. Let me just go back. What was happening here? There was a Vista start menu. Alright, hold on. Where was that? Oh, okay, so the start button's changed. Now there's a Vista. So the start button is a Chrome icon. Okay. There's a Vista start menu. Right. Okay. The taskbar style is different now. Now we've got Bliss as the background. The dock has moved, or there's another dock. Yeah, I think it looks like there's another dock down here, and lots of Internet Explorer icons that are obviously trying to get you to launch IE. Oh yeah, and I've just realised this sidebar is Google Desktop, isn't it? That's a throwback. But there is also a Vista sidebar here. So yeah, and a massive recyclable icon. Love it. Oh, that's a gadget actually, isn't it? I think. Love it. Okay. New Explorer so advanced it needs 3 navigation toolbars. Oh my gosh. Again, this is messing with me. What's going on here? So there's a 98 or 9x style throbber, which is now taking up the whole width of the Explorer window. And then a Vista/7 address bar and command bar. Then like an XP style command bar with different icons. XP menu bar, XP address bar, and then another bar here. Oh my god. And then a tab bar and a link bar. Wow. And an XP sidebar. Wow, okay. Yeah, hang on. XP sidebar and transparency on the title bar. Wow. With a Windows 2000 icon, obviously. And a Chrome, like an old Chrome style tab in the taskbar. This Sky, I'm impressed. This is very cursed. I'm so confused right now. I don't know what's going on. This is a lot to take in. Especially the yellow and red. Ooh, Windows 2002. Oh my gosh. It's hot dog stand. Okay, so of course Internet Explorer needs the same love. No, it doesn't even load web pages. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how thick that tab is. Wow. Crazy. Hundreds of new wallpapers, fresh picked straight from Transformation Pack Land. Visual styles from past, present, future, and competitors. Wow. Oh, I'd love that. That was a lot of visual styles. Love it. Plex. Okay. Bugs. 90% more bugs than Windows 11. Oh, no. Okay, optional 3D desktop may induce seizures. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. I feel like I violated Firefox then. Hang on. That... I was way too close to this Firefox icon here. I feel like I violated it somehow. Look at that. I'm like in it. I'm inside it. Oh no, wait. What's going on here? What did this text say? Extra notes. Every sound is tada.wav. Oh no. Running any reloader curses it even more. OS X title bars can't close windows. Oh my god. Oh, and look at... I love this. There's a secret message. Can someone work out what this secret message is? What is this? Is this webdings or wingdings? Someone needs to translate this. Let me know in the comments if you've managed to translate this last line, which appears to be a coded message. Let me find out what Sky's talking about there. That was, that was something. Windows XP Cursed Edition, June 2069. Sky Weeb. With an Apple logo. Wow. Sky, thank you very much for your entry. That was extremely confusing but also extremely entertaining, so thanks for that. Love it. Okay, and then on to entry number 4. So the 4th entry is from Still Lean P. Let's see what cursage we've got going on here. Ooh, I love the music. So yeah, don't click this button or else. Oh, hang on. So we got make PC go boom. I'm guessing this is XP because, for one, we've got MyPal, which is a very famous web browser that's still being maintained for XP. So if you need one, that's your browser. Okay. Almost everything says something about malware. This music is also cursed. Okay, so hang on. Show the malware, malware killer, rock the Casbah, malware town. Oh my gosh, look at that title bar. That is something else. Oh, okay, so you modified the dialogue. Ah, okay, so malware creator. Nice. Does that do anything? Or not? Is it just a visual modification? Show netherite. Oh my gosh. Ah, okay. So it goes to 404 error. Love it. I like how this message says, this was modified a lot. Yes. Yes, it was. Oh, I love this as well. Look. Not I. What? A what button? What did that do? Did that do anything? Oh my gosh. Old and tiny eyes. This is very modified. Can I just say, what is this music? Because I love this. It's got like parts of all different Windows sounds in it. Love it. Again, we've got a nice sassy button. I love this. Like, why? Love it. I can't get over those title bars. They're so big, aren't they? That's just crazy. Okay, classic starts to be modified as well. Oh yeah. So, malware, important malware, truly make it go boom. Malware helper, which is the run dialogue. Dog, I didn't see that. Windows tech support scam, I didn't see that either. Still in P, that was very cursed. So again, thank you very much for your submission. I loved that as well. I've loved all of these so far because they're all cursed in their own special way, aren't they? Okay, so our next submission number 5. I think we're on 5 now, aren't we? Yeah, 5. Is from Traveling Tardis, and I love this logo, by the way. It's like the old Microsoft font and the new font, I think, put together, a bit like my logo. Windows on Windows has both of those fonts in, and the classic 9X logo. Okay, so let's see what Traveling Tardis has cursed.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my Windows on Windows subscriber special submission. Today we'll be trying to create the most cursed Windows setup. We've been given a lot of freedom in terms of what we're allowed to do, so I've decided to take the ruin every aspect of the operating system approach.
Love it. Okay, and it looks like we've got Longhorn 4074. I don't know if that's correct, but it looks like it, so let's see.
On Microsoft's absolute dumpster fire of an operating system, Windows Longhorn build 4074. Now, I've already made a few changes, or really haven't, in terms of the screen resolution. Yep, I'm keeping the screen resolution at a perfect 640 by 480. I'm sure.
What a throwback.
Sure, 1980s Bill Gates would support my decision.
Yes.
Unlike other Windows betas, you don't need to set the BIOS date, but I have done it anyway. I even set it a few days before the official compile date, just to be safe.
Wow, February 22nd, 1981. That's before Windows 1 came out. Oh, see, Longhorn was so ahead of its time, wasn't it? It was so progressive.
The first thing I want to do in terms of visual changes is the Windows theme. If you know anything about Longhorn, then you might know that if you rename the Jade theme to Aero, then you get the Aero theme. But I wanted to know if this worked on other themes, and what better theme to test this on than Luna, because nothing screams the future quite like Windows XP. My first attempt didn't work all that well, and my second attempt didn't do that well either, so instead of making a third attempt, I simply bashed my keyboard against the display properties window until it let me set the theme. And here it is, the Aero theme, just as we all remember it. But we can't have Aero without the desktop window manager, so I've replaced the deskRV.dll with this one, which allegedly makes everything look like the Plex theme. I've also enabled Mild Desktop, but not Mild Explorer, because nobody needs that one. And after a restart, Windows looks considerably better. I decided to set the desktop background to nothing, because, you know, it was getting a little too exciting with all those leaves. And for some reason, Mild Desktop has the desktop background completely blank if it's set to nothing. So I decided as a small fix I'd go into MS Paint, fill the whole thing with something that vaguely looked close to Windows 2000 blue, and set the background to that. It was at this point that I realised I could only go so far in terms of visuals, so my next plan was to figure out what else needed improving, and I decided this operating system simply had too many games. I hope you like FreeCell, because that's now the only game on the operating system. All the other shortcuts have been modified in order to open FreeCell when you click on them, meaning there is no escape from the FreeCell hell. I also thought there were too many sounds as well, so in order to remedy this I changed every sound to the Windows XP error sound.
Oh no.
Longhorn doesn't actually use all of the sounds XP does, but it at least made file browsing a lot more exciting. Look, please. Oh god.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm starting to see the disadvantages of doing this now. Anyway, this is enough for one day. I'm tired, you're tired, we're all tired. Be sure to subscribe to both me and the Windows on Windows YouTube channel. I make videos on my channel sometimes. Thanks for watching whatever the hell this was. See ya.
That was probably my best outro, I think, Travelling Tardis. Yes, thanks for watching whatever the heck this was. Love it. So yes, this is quite visually cursed, isn't it? Even just looking at this now, like, there's nothing in the sidebar, but it's still there. This is so weird. Okay, right, and I think we're on to our last entry. So entry number 6 is from Void Pointer, and let's see what cursage we've got going on here. So Windows 11, this looks like. I love this music as well, by the way. I love it. Why do I have a feeling that everything is going to go wrong shortly? This is just a normal video so far that's just showing, you know, some of the new Windows 11 features. Why is this going too well? Oh yes, here we go. Look, I knew it was coming. Phone Dialer, which is still in Windows 11. Phone Dialer is moving. In a future update, Phone Dialer will be moving to a new home. Try improved features and dial like usual with Microsoft Dial, Chat and Fax. Or try the shortcut Control-Alt-Win function and D. Love it. So in case you're not aware, this is Void Pointer taking the mick out of the Snip and Sketch app, which has been saying for about 2 decades that it's moving. Oh no, it's the snipping tool, isn't it? That's right. Yeah, snipping tool has been saying for a very long time it's moving. Okay, so in Notepad, a new "Do you want to save" dialog was added to make sure users don't accidentally discard important documents. Truly a very useful feature. Oh no, I've got a bad feeling about this as well. You will save. It does sound a bit intimidating sometimes. Next time you better save, or else don't say I didn't warn you. Oh my god. Oh no, it crashes Explorer. Oh gosh. Okay, yeah, so let's just restart Explorer. These beta builds are unstable after all. Oh no, what's going to happen now? Ooh, I love that background. I love that. I don't know how that's changed at all, but love it. Okay, this build contains working Android emulation. The feature is hidden, however, can be enabled. Okay. Okay, what's going to happen here? I'm on the edge of my seat. Not literally, but I am in my head. This feature requires registration. Okay. Did Microsoft steal this idea from BlueStacks? Yes. We did not. Let's try again. Did Microsoft steal it? Okay, I see. Registration complete. And we've got everyone's favourite game, Among Us, which is definitely not being memified at all. A non-fatal error has occurred. Oh gosh, how did that happen? The game seems to run just fine. I feel like I need to read all these messages, but there's so many. You are such a sussy backer. Another app that got updated was Edge. It's now more secure. What's this? You live here, correct? Oh. So it's spying on you. Yes, it was probably a bug. Nice. Little Longhorn reference here. In those way. Love it. So these are all changes I could find. I hope others find more hidden stuff in this build. Indo's way, we tried, but you don't want to cooperate. Fine, have it your way. Oh no. I'm a bit scared now. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me show you some new applets in settings. Oh. Oh no, what a shame. It crashed. With a black screen of death. Okay, and thank you very much to Void Pointer for, again, another completely unique take on the most cursed Windows idea. So again, love it. Thanks for that. Okay, now the moment that you've all been waiting for, and as you can see, this is going to be very professional. So my task for myself was to choose a top 3 based on, basically, I mean, there were no really like specific conditions. It was just what I thought was the most cursed and the most entertaining. So firstly, thank you very much to everyone that gave an entry for the showcase, and I did enjoy them all, as you can hopefully see from my reactions. They were all entertaining in their own way. So thank you very much for taking the time and effort to do that. Hopefully, if you missed it this time, by the way, I look forward to you submitting an entry for the next one, which will be on a different topic to be determined. But for the all-important top 3 and the winner. Okay, so in third place, my third place position goes to Void Pointer, and this is specifically because I love the sassiness. I love how you've just taken the mick out of Microsoft with Phone Dialer saying that it's going to be moved, and Edge being, extra safe and secure, and yeah. I don't know, I kind of like that. It's fun, isn't it? It's just fun to take the mick out of Microsoft, even though we all love them, but still, it's nice. It's a way to vent your frustrations, isn't it? So yeah, thank you, Void Pointer, for that. So in second place, my second place goes to Dominic, and this is for, again, a few things. So firstly, for the amount of Windows references going on in your Windows 8 build. So we've got the XP background, we've got themes from different versions, we've got a different version of Classic. So again, love it. And you obviously have put a lot of effort in. I grant you that, Dominic, as well. So thank you very much for that. That was also another great entry. But my first place position, the winner of the 4th subscriber showcase, it has to be Sky. Just because I think this was a whole new level of references. I mean, in fact, I would not have seen all the references that were in your submission. There were a lot. We have references to lots of different Windows versions, to Mac, to things that not even Windows or Mac or tech related. So, and I mean, that to me, if I saw that, or if someone asked me, show me a one image that defines the word cursed, it would be a screenshot of that video. I think any frame in that video is pretty cursed in many ways. So thank you very much, Sky. That was extremely entertaining and extremely, more importantly, extremely cursed. So again, thank you very much to everyone that submitted an entry for subscriber showcase number 4. Well done to the top 3, and especially to the winner, who this time around was Sky. Congratulations, Sky. And like I said earlier, I hope that for the next subscriber showcase, you can, if you've not submitted an entry this time, or even if you have, hopefully I look forward to seeing what you come up with in the next one, and hopefully I will see you then.